Hey there, foodies! Today, we're going to whip up a delicious and nutritious dish that's perfect for any occasion: fried spinach. This recipe is not only tasty, but it's also packed with essential vitamins and minerals. So let's get started. First, we'll need to defrost our frozen spinach. You can either place it in the fridge overnight or use the defrost setting on your microwave. Once it's defrosted, we'll need to squeeze out as much water as we can. This will help us achieve that crispy fried texture we're going for. Next, let's chop up some tomatoes and onions. We'll need about 2 cups of tomatoes and 1 cup of onions. Now, it's time to add some protein to our dish. We'll be using cooked shrimp, cooked beef, smoked fish, and a bit of seasoning cubes. For extra flavor, we'll also be adding salt and vegetable oil. To give our dish a rich, savory taste, we'll be using beef stock. Just pour it in and mix everything together. And that's it. Our fried spinach is ready to be enjoyed. So there you have it, folks. A quick and easy recipe for fried spinach that's not only tasty, but also good for you. Give it a try and let us know what you think in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious dishes. Thanks for watching and happy cooking!